Good afternoon, my dears, my sweet little kids. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So, my dear sweet little kids, before starting our class, we will do prayer. So, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Once again, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Open your eyes, rub your hands and touch on your face. Again, rub your hands and touch on your face. So, my dear student, I am your teacher Jyoti Pandey here to teach you English subject. Which subject? English subject. So, my dear student, so are you ready to learn? Say yes or no. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So you are enjoying the webinar? So you enjoying the webinar with mentor box? Yes or no? Very good. Very good, my dears. You are doing it. Adya doing very great. Good job. Good. So, my dear student, today we are going to learn a new pattern. Right? In previous pattern, we have learned. Which line is this? Tell me, which line is this? Slanting line. Which line we have learned? We have learned slanting line. Which line we have learned? Slanting line. Very good. So, today we are going to learn curves. What we are going to learn? Curves. Today we are going to learn curves, right? So, look here. Which pattern we have learned? We have learned standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. These all are slanting line. The slanting line up, slanting line down, right? Up and down, right? So we have learned standing line, sleeping line, sliding line, right? So today we are going to learn curve. What we are going to learn? Curve. Look here, all of you. Today we are going to learn curve. What we are going to learn? Curve. So look here. Today I will draw one boat. What? One boat. You color it. Right, my dear? You color this boat. What you will do? You will color this boat. Now we will draw the curve. Alright? We will draw the curve. What we will do? We will draw the curve. Right? Draw the board and color it. Then we will draw the waves. These are waves. These are waves. Right? So look here, all of you. Look here. Curve. Curves, look at curve. This is curve. What is this? This is curve. This is curve. This is curve. And this is also curve. It is not full circle. It is a half part of circle. We draw circle like this. Right? We draw circle like this. Right? Look here. We draw circle like this. When we cut it half, it becomes curve. It becomes like a curve. Look here. When we do half, look here, half part, half curve. Then this is half curve. Right? So it becomes curve. So what we are going to learn? Curve. What we are going to learn? Curve. So this all are the curves. This all are the curves. After that, we will do one activity. Right? We will do one activity. Look here. This is up curve. Page number 1515. Page number 1515. Up curve. These are the up curve. We will trace it. Look here. You have to draw the board. Right? And we have to do curve. Right? You can do here. Page number 15. You can make the curve here on this page. Page number 15. This is on the page number 15. Do on the page number 15. How we will do tracing. Look here. Trace on the line. Like this. Curve. We are making curve. Curve on up curves. Which curves are there? This up curve. Up curve. Right? This is up curve. Up curve. Which curve is this? Up curve. You have to do it properly in your book. Right? In your writing book, practice book, you have to do this. What is this? This is up curve. What is this? Up curve. Write properly. Trace properly on the dot. Like this. This is up curve. What is this? Up curve. Like this. Right? Like this. You have to write like this. Up curve. Trace the line. Trace the line properly. Trace the line properly. Right? Like this. Trace the line properly. What you have to do? Trace the line properly. Right? So this is upside curve. This is upside curve. Right? Now look here. Now look here. Now we will do downside curve. Now we will practice downside curve. Look here, this is downside curve. Which curve? Downside curve. Right? This is upper side curve and this is downside curve. Right? So look here, page number 16. Page number 16. Which page number? Page number 16. Which page number? Page number 16. You have to complete this down curve. Which curve? Down curve. Look here. Page number 15. You have to complete this down curve. Which down curve? Look here. This is mouse. This is mouse. Yes. Now, cake is there. Cake is there. You want to eat the cake. Right? So, down curve from up, then curve, then down. Then up, then curve, then down. Again, up, curve and down. Up, curve and down. Like this. Right? Then dog wants bone. So then dog will go and take this bone. Then this is a baby of kangaroo. Right? This is turtle. And this is rat. So do downward curve. Right? Now page number 17. Page number 17. Page number 15, 16 and 17. Look here. Both up and down curve. Which curve? Up and down curve. You have to do this in your book. In your book. Right? Then page number 18. Page number 18. Fish are there. Which are there? Fish. Look here. This is fish. Like this, you have to trace the line and make the curve. Like this, you have to trace the line and make the curve. Left side and right side curve. Which side? Left side and right side curve. Like this. You have to trace the line. You have to trace this line. Right? On page number 18. On page number 18. Right? This is left and right side curve. Left and right side curve. So you have to trace the curve. Right? You have to trace this curve. And now we will do one activity. What we will do? We will do one activity. In your notebook, you have to do this and color it. In the notebook, you have to do this and color it. Right? This is your homework. Your homework is here. What to do? You have to color this. Like here. These are the cloud. These are the cloud. Right? This is a cloud. So, now we will make 7 curves. How many curves? 7 curves. You have to do this in your notebook. In your notebook, right? So this is your activity you have to do in your notebook. We will draw 7 curves. Right? How many curves? 7 curves. You know what we are doing? We are drawing rainbow. We are drawing rainbow. What is this? Rainbow. Like this, 7 curve you have to draw. Like this, 7 curve you have to draw. Right? 7 curve you have to draw. Now you have to color this. I am writing the color. You have to color it. Right? Now, first here you have to put red color. Put red color. Then here orange color. Orange color you have to put the color. Don't write the name of the color. You have to color it. Please parents help your child to color the rainbow. First red color. Second orange color. Third yellow color. Third yellow color. Then green color, then 4 green color, after green, blue color, yeah, blue color, then indigo, here you have to do indigo color, and last you have to do violet color, right, violet color. This is your activity. This is your activity. Right? You have to do this in your notebook. Where? In your notebook. You have Mama will draw all the clouds and curve. Right? And kids, you have to color it. You have to color the rainbow. Right? First color is red. Second orange. Third yellow, then green, blue, indigo, violet, right? You have to color the rainbow. What is this? This is rainbow, right? R for rainbow. You have to color this. Right, my dear student? What you have to do? Today we have learned curve. Upside curve, downside curve, right side, left side curve, right? And you have to first place in your notebook, in your practice book, and after that in notebook you have to do this activity, right? Mama will help you in drawing the rainbow, and then you have to color the rainbow. First yellow or first red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Right? So my dear student, now winding up my class. Be safe at your home. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.